Let's learn how to balance chemical equations. We'll use the reaction of ammonia with oxygen to produce nitric oxide and water as our example. The unbalanced equation is NH3 plus O2 yields NO plus H2O. The first step is to count the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. Let's start balancing with hydrogen. The least common multiple of 3 and 2 is 6, so we'll put a 4 in front of NH3 and a 6 in front of H2O. Now, let's balance nitrogen. Since we have 4 nitrogens on the left, we need 4 on the right, so we'll put a 4 in front of NO. Finally, let's balance oxygen. We have 10 oxygens on the product side, 4 from NO and 6 from H2O. Since each oxygen molecule, O2, contains 2 atoms, to get 10 atoms, we'll put a 5 in front of O2. And there you have it. The balanced equation for the reaction between ammonia and oxygen to form nitric oxide and water is 4NH3 plus 5O2 equals 4NO plus 6H2O.